A very warm welcome to all my students. Welcome to my channel Simplifying Business Studies. Myself Kashish Talwani. I am today presenting this video to make you all understand the other parts of the same chapter of class 11th, chapter number 1, Nature and Purpose of Business. So this session will explain the meaning of industry, which is one part of the classification of business activities. I hope you all will understand the concepts well through this session, and also you will like this video. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, I would like to request you all to subscribe to my channel so that you can always get the notifications about my videos. So we are going to start this session with classification of different business activities. We have already understood the meaning of business studies in our previous sessions. So these business activities are broadly classified into two categories. First one is industry and another is commerce. Again, the industry is classified into three different categories. First one is primary industry, second is secondary industry, and the third one is tertiary industry. Commerce is again classified into trade and auxiliaries to trade or aids to trade. So these are the topics which we are going to study in later parts of our sessions. After the classification of business activities, the first thing to understand is the meaning of industry. So this is a word which we have already heard many times about. So let us understand the literal meaning of industry. Industry refers to an activity which converts raw material into useful products. So this is the industry which is responsible for creating all the useful products by converting the raw material into these products. And how does it convert them? By the process called production or processing. So industry refer to an activity which is concerned with the production or processing of goods and material using different mechanical appliances and technical skills, as well as breeding and raising of animals. So using all the mechanical appliances in the factories, in the industries, and using all the technical skills through which these appliances were created or manufactured, we convert the raw material into the goods which can be used by the ultimate consumers. Also, it includes breeding and raising of animals because of certain products which can be derived using these animals. The purpose of this industry is to create utility. Utility means adding a value to the product. It means creating a utility. And how it is being done? By converting the same raw material into some useful forms of finished goods. The term industry is also used to refer a group of firms producing similar or related goods. So this means like textile industry refers to all the production units related to cloth manufacturing, and cement industry refers to all the factories or the firms manufacturing cement. So it is again a noun used for all the firms which are producing the same or similar or related kinds of products. One more thing here to understand is that industry may produce consumer goods and capital goods. Now, what is the difference between consumer goods and capital goods? Goods such as bread, butter, cloth, music system, etc. All these are used by end consumers like we. Like we use all these goods on everyday basis. So all these goods which we use as consumers are called consumer goods. And those goods such as machinery, cement, iron rods in case of construction. So all these goods which are used by further few industries which use them in certain kind of production to again make the products which will be then used by consumers are called capital goods. For example, construction industry use cement, sand, iron rods, etc. for like creating an infrastructure or for the construction of residential apartments. So these are the capital goods for them, and the ultimate object which we receive, which we get after this construction, is the consumer good for us. So I hope it is clear that what are consumer goods and what are capital goods. So everyone, I'm done with the content of this session. I hope you all have liked this content. You can definitely see my other videos, my upcoming videos for the next topics of the same chapter. For that, you only need to subscribe to my channel so that you can always get the notifications of my new videos. At the end, I would just like to say thank you very much for watching and stay safe at home.